We had one teacher a long time ago that said you don't have to hear, speak English, or even talk to get something out of the materials. The mission of the Scrap Exchange is to promote creativity, environmental awareness, and community through reuse. I feel like this organization really serves all aspects of the community, every demographic. Schools, school teachers, daycare providers, after-school providers, art therapists come in here. Builders come in because they're looking for weird knobs for doors, or they're donating leftover materials to us. The cultural community, continues to walk in our door to provide materials to schools and keep these materials out of the landfill. I want to teach kids how to be good citizens, how to be good stewards of their environment. 10 years ago, we didn't have the biotechnical industry that we have right now that's in the Triangle and the region, but now we do. So now we have a lot of science stuff. When we get residential waste, we never know what we're going to get. It's really people's passions. Tom Treeman, he's the guy that makes monster movies, and he passed away recently, and his niece came into town, and she found all these monster sets and monsters that he had made, and she was very grateful that the materials weren't just going to go to the landfill. Wow, that's cool. It's just a wide variety of people and demographics that are coming in here. I have to say these materials are really great for people with disabilities because they're interesting, they get to touch the materials, it's a very tactile experience.
I think coming to the Scrap Exchange for Katie has really helped her grow in her independence, creating opportunities for Katie to be in the community and to be seen for the special person she is. We've painted on things. What kinds of things have we painted on?
Tiles.
Tiles, we've painted on suitcases, we've painted on chairs, right?
We see over 4,700 hours of volunteerism annually.
Y así trabajé por más de un mes. Tienen muchas telas y entonces ellos no alcanzaban. Y así empezó todo. Me dijeron que no había ese empleo, pero yo le dije, yo puedo colaborar con ustedes voluntariamente. Había trabajado muchos años en mi país, en la sastrería. Cuando yo trabajé en la sastrería, era un trabajo completo. En cambio, la diferencia aquí es de que solamente clasifico las telas, midiéndolas, poniéndoles precio, dándoles una presentación. Yo como salvadoreño me causó mucha sorpresa ver un lugar donde se ayuda al medio ambiente, donde se vive en comunidad.
I really think that there should be a creative reuse center in every city. In this community, I feel like there's a consciousness that has evolved. I feel like it's sort of a ripple effect that happens because of this organization.